What is happening, everybody? It is Daddy back in action here, and tonight I wanted to go through a quick and fun cartoon and get back to some of the basics of cartooning, because we've left some of that out for a while, and I feel like we need to kind of like amp up some of our rep in that area. So what I did was I simply turned over here to Google and I Googled famous person, and the first guy that came up was, let's see here, Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. But if you follow Daddy and subscribe, which I hope you do, you'll know that we did a Jungle Cruise video a while back, and so we got a full-on Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. His clothes got the whole Jungle Cruise thing going on. So if we zoom in next, we got Will Smith, and we are going to save that for a future video, because if you remember what happened in the Oscars, famous, but he's a regular person just like you and I, and so we're going to incorporate that into a fun little Peanuts cartoon, so look for that one coming up. But we're going to go to the third person here, and we're going to make a great little caricature, and that is Albert Einstein. So let's get into the creation station and check it out. Alright, here we are back in the creation station, and we are going to start with the nose right here, and what we're going to do is long and then round it at the bottom. Okay, and we're going to finish that off with a cone shape, just like that. And we're going to turn that into a mustache and put a bottom lip right there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to match the side of the face and do a chin, just like that, and a little neckline. Then we're going to go up and we're going to do kind of arched eyes here with small eyebrows and big beady eyes full of curiosity. And we're going to do an ear hanging off to the side right there, boom. And we're going to bring a nice neckline down and a jacket and a shoulder. All right, just like that with a collar, shoulder coming down the side. All right, now here comes the fun part. Couple little wrinkles in the top, and then boom, hair. Coming out here, out here, out here, out here, full of whimsy and wonder. Boom, boom, boom. And we're gonna have it coming down, and down, and down. And there is Daddy's signature, and we're gonna get Albert Einstein. That is our drawing tonight. Hope you've enjoyed. Have fun and never stop drawing.